Well, quick there.
Quick. Me don't know, you know, cause right now me not too deal with him, you know.
Eh? How comes?
Yo, Quick a go on like him no rape, man. Me and Quick go up on our apps the other day. You see it and him go and cut left me. And you see the apps bust.
The apps to deal the bodyguard you talk about.
Yeah. Anyway him they carry me, the boy they get knocked away.
Karim, you ever take a life before?
No. But you saw the boy that diss me? Shop boss. Me woulda
what? You think it's a sensible move Quick make the other day? It nearly cost him life. Me I tell you a thing. Cause me did dead there.
So you did up on the apps there?
Karim, you think of something this will glorify you? You want to be a bad man? Or you want to be an entrepreneur? Cause you can't be both.
Shop boss, I want to make my life better, you know. But you see if somebody diss me, me can't just make it slide so.
How him this you? Tell me.
The man beat me up, brother. I almost broke my jawbone.
Tell me the full story. Cause Quick show me the levels.
Him boss violate my woman in front of me.
You mean the politician boxed on him daughter where you there with in front of you? And you decide so you want to rush him? Where you did feel like the bodyguard are gonna do? Stand up there and watch? I hate him get paid for you know. You're lucky you never lose your life.
But in my place, them barge in. Them not the right to do that.
It's not about rights, youth. It's about power. You think you can stand up to no politician badness? Or a police like Savage? Think about it now, youth. You beat up your cousin and him take the bait. You have to think wise, youth. A whole heap of people implicate when you make certain moves, you know. Don't make your emotions get the best of your youth. At the worst time to make any decisions. And this a forward from somebody who been down that road there before.
You know you're right, chap boss.
Yo, you have a little job. You plan to start your catering business. Stay focused. What to you and the little princess?
I know she gone back overseas. Gone back to school and thing. And shop boss, me tell you and it's true. But me sorry no.
You love her?
In a real life shop boss. But some things are going on in her life, brother. Me really don't want her to stray.
You see if you check for her and she check for you, it have to work, brother. Focus on that. But you see between me and you, trust and believe. You and Quick dodge a bullet there that day. And none of you know want to depend the politician boy there. Or the police boy the radar. You overs? I got a doctor with a finger here, you know.
Oh, they forgot a doctor with the finger code, man. They forgot a doctor with the code. Really, the code is that?